Hey folks, I got thinking last night, looking at the forecast. I got 2 days before the hot weather comes back. So I decided I'm going to put the rear end back on before I get into the electrical stuff. Just so the monster's drivable. If I have to put a camera on with the battery, run it on battery for a while, so be it. But I got to get it operable. I really wish I could clean this up before I take it out, but like I say, I can't do that in here. So first thing I'm doing today is I gotta put that rear end back in. Got the hinge pin all cleaned up, and I gotta lubricate the crap out of it as I put it in. Ought to be an interesting job. Wasn't the easiest thing to do to get it out, so I imagine it's not going to be all that easy putting it in either. Oh, with the spacers being cut, they go in a lot easier. Hurt myself already. Apparently the paint's not already dry. Holy smokes. It's tight already. Okay, I got a bit of a dilemma. Bar came through it, caught the nylon insert, and it's all bunched up inside here. And it's so tight I can't get it to go either direction. So I noticed when I was putting it in, it's still pretty tight. It doesn't seem any different than it did before. So if I can get that bar out, the hinge pin, whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to grind the snot out of it and make it a smaller diameter. It's ridiculous. So I don't know what to do to get that out now. Because it's like it's wedged right in there. And like I say, part of the insert is inside this bar here, so I can't even get my threaded rod through there to push it back out. Gotta love the monster. And I'm glad I decided to do this first. So I gotta see what I can do to get that out. I don't know. I tried putting a block of wood up against here. I tried my old hub just to pound that back in to get at least some stress off of this so I can move it. Not helping. But I don't know if you noticed when I was lowering the motor, you can still hear that creaking sound, so it's just too tight. So I'm gonna grind the snot out of it and see if that makes a difference. I suppose it's possible. It might be easier just to grind these down, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I just don't know at this point. So, big question is, how do I get that back out? I will ponder that as I take a break.
Car 3 acknowledges Tanker 9, Rescue 7, and Unit 10 responding as well. 1632. Roger that. Tank 4, I got that you're responding. Tanker 9, I got you're responding. Car 3 Echo plus 3 belted. 1635.
That's what was blocking everything. I didn't expect this job to be easy, but holy cow. So I gotta...
Our dispatch call rescue 7.
Gotta smooth out the damage I did to this.
Rescue 7, go ahead.
Like the vice grips and the pounding. And then I'm gonna bore these out a little bit. It's way too tight. Smooth as glass. Hot but smooth. I decided to do both. Make it a smaller diameter and bore out the plastic. This was the easy job. It's still pretty tight. That's a lot better. One of 10. Okay. So I'm gonna try this again. Let's hope it goes a lot easier this time. Better already. No creaking. Yikes.